Hello everyone, how is it going? Hope you're all amazingly fine. This is Ms. Sheerin, an American English teacher. Today's lesson is grammar. Verb to be, questions and short answers, and the past tense, part 3. Let's begin. Verb to be in the past tense. It's used to describe actions or states that occurred in the past. Remember, time indicators that imply the past tense are last night, last week, last month, last year, yesterday, in the past, previously, ago, before, once upon a time, earlier, etc. These time-related keywords can indicate an action or event happened in the past. Verb to be, questions and short answers. Number 1, let's take the question form. First, you have to begin with verb to be in the past tense plus subject, and in the end, put the question mark, which means you have to begin the question with was I, was he, was she, was it, or were they, were you, were we, then the question mark, and the end of the question, of course. Number 2, short answers. If you're going to answer with yes, you can say yes, comma, subject pronoun plus was, or yes, a comma, subject pronoun plus where. If you're going to answer with no, you can say no, a comma, subject pronoun plus wasn't, or no, a comma, subject pronoun plus weren't. Which means you can say yes, I was, yes, he was, yes, she was, yes, it was. Or yes, they were, yes, you were, yes, we were. If it's negative, you can say no, I wasn't. No, he wasn't. No, she wasn't. No, it wasn't. Or no, they weren't. No, you weren't. No, we weren't. Remember, the I in the question is gonna be you in the answer, and vice versa. You in the question is gonna be I in the answer. We in the question is gonna be we as it is in the answer. Remember to use the long form when you answer the question with yes, and the short form when you answer the question with no. Which means you have to use wasn't or weren't instead of was not or were not. Examples: Were you at home yesterday? Yes, I was. Were they in class an hour ago? No, they weren't. Was it cold outside? Yes, it was. Were we the winners in the last race? Yes, we were. More examples. Was he a good student? Yes, he was. Were they in the park? No, they weren't. Was I nervous when I called you last time? Yes, you were. Were you on vacation last month? No, I wasn't. Additional examples. Were you and I good listeners in the meeting? Yes, we were. Remember that you and I equal we. Were Mom and Dad in the club last Friday? No, they weren't. Remember that Mom and Dad equal they. Was Henry happy with the result? Yes, he was. Were Scarlett and Olivia the singers? No, they weren't. Remember again that name plus name equal they. Exercise. Complete the following questions using was or where, and then answer them accordingly. Number 1. You hungry after the game? Yes. Number 2. It her birthday? No. 3. They on the bus an hour ago? No. 4. The manager in a good mood this morning? Yes. Number 5. Am I late for the meeting? Yes. Number 6. Your cat playing with my sock? No. Number 7. David and Ethan tired after the trip? Yes. Number 8. These chairs here yesterday? No. Number 9. Sophia and you good friends? Yes. Number 10. Ruby and her sister involved in that accident? No. 11. It a nice play? Yes. Number 12. You and I the winners in the competition last year? No. 13. You in the garden? No. Number 14. I snoring while sleeping? Yes. 15. Your cousin in London last month? Yes. Number 16. the dogs barking a while ago? Yes. 17. You and Grace neighbors before? No. Are you ready to check your answers? Let's see. 1. Were you hungry after the game? Yes, I was. 2. Was it her birthday? No, it wasn't. 3. Were they on the bus an hour ago? No, they weren't. 4. Was the manager in a good mood this morning? Yes, he was. Number 5. Was Emma late for the meeting? Yes, she was. Number 6. Was your cat playing with my sock? No, it wasn't. Number 7. Were David and Ethan tired after the trip? Yes, they were. Number 8. Were these chairs here yesterday? No, they weren't. Number 9. Were Sophia and you good friends? Yes, we were. Remember here that Sophia and you equal you. So you're going to answer with we. Number 10. Were Ruby and her sister involved in that accident? No, they weren't. Number 11. Was it a nice play? Yes, it was. Number 12. Were you and I the winners in that competition last year? No, you weren't. Again, remember that you and I here in the question equal excellent equal we. So you're going to answer here with we. Number 13. Were you in the garden? No, I wasn't. Number 14. Was I snoring while sleeping? Yes, you were. Number 15. Was your cousin in London last month? Yes, he was. Number 16. Were the dogs barking a while ago? Yeah, they were. Number 17. Were you and Grace neighbors before? No, we weren't. Eventually, I hope this video helped clarify any confusion you may have had about verb to be questions and short answers in the past tense. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English grammar tips and lessons. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Bye.